guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is the third week of bridal series, and this is third video of the bridal series. And today I am going to do a haldi look, and today also I am going to do a cut crease, and I think so I will do half cut crease or full. I have not decided yet, but I am going to do a cut crease, that is for sure. And देखते हैं आगे आगे मैं क्या करती हूँ. So let's quickly get into the video. So after priming my face, I will be using this orange corrector, which is from Kryolan, and I will be applying it on my eyelids first. Now with the help of a damp beauty blender, I will be blending the corrector on my eyelids. Now I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow correction palette, and I will be correcting my eyebrows first, and I will be using brown color to correct my eyebrows because I want my eyebrows very natural. And always make sure that whenever you are doing eyebrow correction, it should not be so much dark. And after that I will be using a spoolie so that there are no harsh lines in the eyebrow. For the base of my eyelids, I am using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I will be applying it with the help of a flat brush, or you can also apply it directly on your eyelids. And then with the help of a damp beauty blender, I will blend the concealer properly on my eyelids. Going to the eyeshadow, today I am using Revolution palette, and from that I will be using a light brown color and dark brown color. For the transition shade, first I am using light brown color on my crease line, and always make sure that your eyeshadow is blended properly. And if you want a proper blended eyeshadow, then always use the blending brush in the wiping motion and in the circular motion. Now I will be cutting my crease, and I am using the same Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and with the help of the angular brush I will cut my crease. And today I am doing a full cut crease eye makeup. Using a flat brush, I will deposit purple color on the outer corner of my eyelids, and I will not blend this color, I will just deposit it on the outer corner till the middle of my eyes. Now on the middle of my eyelids, I will be depositing baby pink color with the help of the flat brush. You can use any flat brush, and I will not blend it again. Now I will be depositing yellow color on the inner corner of my eyelids, and I have used this color from the Revolution Marvelous Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Now using a very small blending brush, I will blend all these three colors together. I will blend yellow with pink and purple with pink. Now I will be applying a glitter on the crease area. So right now I am using glitters from Miss Rose. You can also use a glitter liner. I was not having that, so I am using loose glitters from Miss Rose palette. Now as we are done with the eyes, going to the face, I will first correct my under eye area. I will hide them. I will hide my pigmentation, and then I am using this FS29, which is the cream based foundation from Kryolan Supra, and I will be applying it with the help of a flat brush on my whole face. Now using a damp beauty blender, I will be blending the foundation on my whole face, and always make sure that whenever you are using a damp beauty blender, always dab it on your face. And also don't forget to apply the foundation on the neck area. So to avoid creasing in the foundation, I will be applying loose powder, which is from Kryolan, and I will be applying it using this big fluffy brush. And now for contouring, I am using cream contour, which is in the shade NG1 from Kryolan Supra, and I will be giving shape to my face. So I will apply contour on my cheek area, forehead, jawline and nose. So now again using a damp beauty blender, I will blend my contour properly, and always make sure that there should be no harsh lines seen in the contouring. Now I will be applying blusher on the cheek area and on the apple of my cheeks, and always make sure that your blusher and contour should be blended very well with each other. Now going to highlighter, and I am using my current favorite highlighter, which is from PAC, that is Sculpt and Shine palette, and I will be highlighting all the high points of my face. Now I am using lipstick from Maybelline in the shade 660, that is Touch of Spice, and I will be doing lipstick. So lipstick is last, and be ready to see my whole healthy look.